I was desperate to escape the well-worn path. Work, marriage, kids. Not me. I wanted to experience the extraordinary, which is why I ended up in the jungle.
This is my friend, Yossi. Good to meet you. Good to meet you too.
I told my parents I'd be back in a year, but I don't think I'm ever going back.
There's nothing like the jungle at night. Insects, birds, it's like they're screaming at you. And then suddenly, it's just you and whatever you came looking for.
Do you want to be like every other tourist? Anybody can go to Machu Picchu. But the jungle, this guy can take us there.
How do you know that Karl is telling the truth?
That's why you're here. The hidden world.
Perfectly balanced. The problem is us with the cancer.
Karl, what are you doing?
The only guy who knows where we are and what we're going to do, and he just walked away.
Karl!
Stop!
Follow the river!
You have a map, and people are coming to save you. All you have to do is keep going. And going and going.